This project is about electric vehicle population dataset. So it focuses on cleaning and pre-processing the electric vehicle population dataset to prepare it for analysis. The dataset contains information about electric vehicles, including their range, manufacturer, location, and other attributes. The goal of this project is to handle missing values, clean the data, and ensure it's ready for further exploration or modeling. So we started by importing some important libraries. This code begins by importing essential libraries like pandas for data manipulation and matplotlib and cbon for data visualization. Next step is to load the dataset. The dataset is loaded from a CSV file named electric vehicle population data CSV, and we use the command pd.read_csv. Basic information about the dataset is displayed using df.info, df.head, and df.describe to understand its structure and summary statistics, as you can see here. The next step was to handle the missing values. So by using this part of the code checks for missing values using df.isNull.sum. And missing values in the electrical range columns are filled with 0, assuming no range is equivalent to 0. Missing values in the base MSRP column are filled with the median value of the column to maintain data integrity, and rows with missing values in critical columns like model year, make, country, city, and postal code are dropped using df.droppedNA. One more thing that we use, the model year column is converted to a datetime format using pd.date_datetime for better time-based analysis. Finally, the clean dataset is saved to a new CSV file. We named it clean_ev_data.csv using df2csv. And the final dataset is inspected again, as you can see here, using df.info, df.head, df.describe, and df.insult.sum to confirm all cleaning steps were successful. That's the output. Now there is the main part of the analysis. Our target was to visualize the different features and information about the electric vehicle dataset. So the first one is that in this part of the code, we focuses on understanding the distribution of a battery electric vehicles PEV and plug-in hybrid electric vehicles PHEV in their dataset. The goal is to visualize and compare the number of each type of electric vehicle. As you can see through this plot, the visualization highlights the growing popularity of the battery electric vehicles, BEVs, in the electric vehicle market. The next question we tried to answer was EV growth over time. So this part of the code focuses on analyzing the trend in the electric vehicle adoption over time. The goal is to visualize how EV registrations have evolved year by year and identify the key trends. And this plot shows that significant growth in EV registrations after 2018. This trend may be driven by the factors like improved affordability of electric vehicles and expansion of charging infrastructure. Third, we try to answer the question, the top 10 EV manufacturers. So this section of the code focuses on identifying the top 10 electric vehicle manufacturers based on the number of vehicle registrations in the dataset. And the goal here is to understand which companies dominate the EV market. By looking at the plot, we can see that Tesla dominates the EV market with the highest number of registration by a significant margin. Other leading manufacturers include Chevrolet and Nissan, which also have a strong presence in the market. And this dominance highlights this Tesla innovation in electric vehicle technology. Number 4, we try to find the common ranges for electric vehicles. This part of the code focuses on analyzing the electrical range distribution of our battery electric vehicles and plug-in hybrid electric vehicles. The goal is to understand the most common ranges for each type of vehicle and compare their performance. Through this plot, we see that for battery electric vehicles, the median range is 215 miles, indicating that most BEVs are designed for longer driving distances. This also reflects the focus on full electrification and advancements in battery technology, while plug-in hybrid electric vehicles have median range 32 miles, significantly lower than the BEVs. This highlights that PHEVs rely primarily on gasoline for extended travel, with electric power serving as a supplementary option. Last, we try to do the comparison between price and range. How does the price for an EV compare to its electric range? This part of the code examines how the price of electric vehicles correlates with their electrical range. The goal is to identify patterns and trends that might influence consumer choices and manufacturer strategies. So, this scatter plot analysis highlights significant variances in price and electric range among EVs, reflecting diverse consumer needs and manufacturing focuses. It shows that the higher end EVs are generally occupy the higher price and lower range segment, suggesting that premium models offer extended travel distances, while lower price EVs tend to cluster around short ranges, indicating that they are potentially more suitable for urban or city driving, where long range is less critical. Thank you.